Morning, YouTube, or good afternoon, or good evening, whenever you're watching this. Back again. It's me. It's me. It's me. What's up, you guys? It is me, JDMNEDU in the flesh, and here we are with another great video today. And boy, do I have some. Ooh. If you can't tell by the title already, today we are finally doing the big brake kit on the 350. We're only doing it for the front, but I went ahead and picked up a really good steal on some front Brembo calipers and rotors for the 350Z. Now we will be going to Z1 to go pick. Wait, let me stop. Let me pause the whole video. You guys, let's stop. Let's take it back. Let's take the whole entire video back. You there that's watching this screen right now. You. Look, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, pause this video. I don't care what you do. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see when I post the next video. And if you enjoy this video at the end, go ahead and hit that like button because it helps me post more so you guys can see what I'm doing more often. All right, because I haven't posted in about a month because I've been too busy. And yeah, so let's get today started. My sis got class at 9:30, so I gotta hurry up and record. But here go the Brembos, and here go the Rotors, and here go what we're gonna be installing. And we got a trip to go to Z1 because these brake pads right here that I got are looking real slim. They look like a piece of potato chip, some chips, some hot fries, some Takis, and we don't need Takis, we need pads. Y'all like her clean Jetta? She doesn't really like her car, guys. Comment down below what you guys think she should do. She wants to do some black wheels or paint her wheels black. I tell her to get some tint. She not liking her car too much. But she got class. Now she covering her face. But she says she don't like the logo right here on her Volkswagen. But I think it looks nice. She's trying to show the whole car while she's tripping. But yeah, leave a comment below on what you think she should do. Alright guys, enough talking. Time to get in the ragmobile. The dad mobile of all dad mobiles. Look at that amazing tint though. Can't see nothing. Let's get in here and get on this ride. Alright, so we are here at Z1. About to go ahead and give them a call so they can go ahead and bring out the parts. And end up paying. But yeah, not much, just brake pads, little pins, and then we'll be back on our way towards Terrence's shop after we go pick up the brake pads and we'll be in the Z. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, here they are. The Stop Tech brake pads. They come with all the hardware we need. And go ahead, get back as soon as possible and go ahead and get this installed. Alright, we are here at the shop. I went ahead and took a very long time getting all the stuff for the calipers. Got brake pads and the other mounting stuff for it to work. Also went and got some oil for the 350 because we will be going to Tennessee on Sunday for Slammed It Up. Very nice. But now the first thing we're going to do is jack up the car on all four because we're going to have to do some bleeding of the brakes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy and watch the rest of this video. Shazza! Now the car is back up. All four. I have the jack under the car just in case maybe the jacks fail. You have jacks under there, but you want to have all four, the whole car pretty much raised up on all four jacks so you can do the bleeding process, because when you take it out, you're gonna have to bleed it all four, I believe. So yeah, didn't take long. Just had to wait for a couple customers. Now we're about to really dive deep into what we're about to do for these Brembos. All right, while I wait for turns, I'm gonna go ahead and take off as much as I can. I'm gonna take off the wheel, obviously, and then we are going to take off the caliper and the rotor. So let's get started. Alright, next step, we're going to take off the calipers and the rotors. I'm trying to do a time lapse, so I don't have any second person to record for me. But yeah, I've already taken off the first bolts. Really easy to take off caliper bolts. There's going to be one right here, at the very bottom. Let me show you guys real quick. All you're really doing, let's get this in focus. All you're doing, taking off the bolt that goes right behind this caliper. You see where my hand is at? Try to get that in focus right there. And then there'll be another one on the adjacent side right here. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. But yeah, you take that off. Then once you get to that, there's going to be two mounting bolts for this part of the caliper right here, behind here as well. And I believe they're 17 millimeter bolt. And you'll just take those off, and your whole thing will come off. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take off the mounting bolts that are right behind it. They're a lot bigger than the other ones that's holding part of the caliper on. So you're going to have to get probably, I can't remember what size exactly. We're going to find out just in a minute. But it's really easy, just two bolts, and this whole tire thing should come off, and the rotor. The rotor is as loose as nothing. I've taken it off quite recently, so it shouldn't be any problem to take off. Yeah. Alright, so I have the rotor off now. Hooray. We got an old, ugly, stinky, and smelly caliper. Now all we got is the wheel stud and the, yeah. Next, we're gonna go ahead and pretty much put on the rotors and test fit everything before we start doing the lines on this side. Alright, here go the rotors from Stop Tech. They are used, but they're pretty much brand new when the owner bought it, versus what I have going on over here. Very old, probably came with the car, never changed. So I'll put those on. We'll get this sorted out on here. It's a direct fit, direct bolt on. Some Z's come with Brembo, some don't, and mine unfortunately did not, but hey. On the good side, we don't have to buy that many pieces to put them together. Let's do it. Guys, I'm about to pretty much take out all the pins and everything to the rotor. I've already taken out one. Time to take out another one. Let's see if I can focus this up. Yeah. Pads on these, absolutely garbage. Nothing left. Nothing left at all. It's crazy. Alright, a couple struggles later and trying to figure things out. These are pretty much on. The only thing left is the bleed the brakes. put the wheels back on. We still got a whole nother side right here. It's really not that hard. Second one should be just a lot easier than this first one. It's just that we're trying to figure out how everything went, so we should be good in the next couple of minutes and bring this bad boy out. Alright, next we're about to go ahead and start bleeding the brakes since we did lose some quite a bit of brake fluid. We got to start from here, then we're going to go to the next rear side, then we're going to go from the top right and then finish off at the top left. That's it. 14, 15, that's it. Hold. Alright, so if you guys don't know what we're doing now, I hate being on my car when we're on jack. I hate being on my car when we're on jack stands. Pump. We're bleeding the brakes. In order for you to do that, you open up the bleeder valve and start pumping. 15. And pretty much, pretty much is how you get air out the system. Make sure you have nothing but fluids stopping your car. Fluid means no braking, no brake means crash, and crash may equal death, and yeah, no death. My foot hurts so much. Bleeding the brakes ain't no joke. It's even worse than bleeding the clutch. Alright, if you can't tell, since I'm wearing a whole different shirt, it is a whole nother day. We finished up at night, so I didn't want to show you guys what it would look like when it's dark, because then you guys would probably be like, I can't see what it is, I want to see what the Brembos look like and all that. So yeah. However, we did do a test run to see how they work, and they work pretty good. They feel like regular brakes, to be honest with you, but due to like, the real reason why I really did is when I go into the future of tracking, I'll have the stopping power I'll need in high speeds, and it will be able to remove all the gases, and they won't overheat like the regular stock brakes. Enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see the brakes for yourselves, and yeah, I also put on some new tires also. So if you saw that collage, let me know in the comments from 1 to 10 how good it was. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick montage of the Brembos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I'm ending it right here. Make sure if you like the video, again, please hit that subscribe button, and please hit your notifications so you know when I am posting more. I will catch you guys in the next one in Tennessee. Hope to see you guys there on Slammed Enough this Sunday. Peace out.
This is a happy end. You don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and